Hi everybody, this is Ryan again, and I'm back for another video. This time we're going to talk a little bit about Module 5, which is our next discussion. This discussion talks about perception data. You just got done learning a lot about demographics, and I think you came a long ways in that. I enjoyed your projects. I'm starting to look at your infographics, and I'm kind of enjoying those, so keep up the good work on that. So for this module, you're going to read these resources. You're going to think about the process of this discussion module. You're going to apply concepts from the reading to formulate some reasons why analysis of perception data are important. Then, as an advanced educational professional, how would you connect and ensure perception data are utilized along with other types of data in the continuous improvement process? So you're going to reflect on what you've read and what you know about perception data. Then you're going to think about a way to help you ensure that perception data is used in your data discussions. So once you're done with that, you're going to go back and look at what your classmate says. You're going to use this feedback loop where you're going to paraphrase what they said. And again, here's some stems. Then you're going to ask some questions. You're going to pose questions, and basically these are about clarification. And then you're going to put some ideas on the table. You're going to say, well, you said this, but one thing I'm thinking is this, or one thought I have is. And again, this is about feedback. And really, what you should do is, as you go back and review these, you should really go back and look at what people said about your post and answer some questions. So this is really a good feedback loop. You post something, a classmate reads it, you go back and read what they said, and you respond. And then finally, I want to point out the last piece, that's standard correlation. Many of you are doing better at this, but this needs to be deep. Some of you need to apply more. I've put some notes in your notes section of your rubrics that you get back via email. So make sure you take a look at that and go a little deeper in this. Really think about the relevance. Think about the reflection and try to figure out how you could use this stuff down the road. So again, this is Ryan. This is Module 5. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm here for you. Thanks. And talk to you later.